the babies were wearing different colors, we could tell them apart.
Then we could match each kid with the baby doll that's perfect for her.
Babies are cute. Babies are small. How am I supposed to tell them apart?
A color code would give us a start.
Until we learn all of your names by heart. You look precious in purple, and you're all about the baby blue. You're great in slate, you're stellar in yeller, or maybe mint green, or ooh, chartreuse. Hey, that color looks great on you. Looks like we found your signature hue. We'll know who is who from your smile and your signature style.
Lost, didn't know what I should do. I needed direction, then scribbles came.